Okay, Sandy. Greetings, Starseeds. I am Akasha Azrai. Welcome to Starseed Evolution channel. I'm going to do a light body activation transmission. This is the Sacred Deer Clan Rite transmission for activating your crystalline Solaris Solar Plex. So we're going to be working on the solar plexus activation vortex. We want to repair, restore, and realign, rebalance your solar plexus, anything that comes up or is out of balance. And we're going to also call back all of your energy bodies and your soul fragment pieces through all time and space. Any energies that have been taken or energy leakages that you could have given out by giving your sacred power away, we're going to call that back too as well. And we're going to call in the highest councils of the Cherokee tribe that are going to lead us and hold a sacred light space for us as the ancestrals will start coming in, and the ancestor sacred masters, medicine women, and medicine men. We're going to call in the highest councils. And the sacred master, spirit world. All the sacred medicine men and women, the luminous ancient teachers of this realm. We're going to call in all the sacred grandfathers and sacred grandmothers, all of the sacred mothers and fathers of the Cherokee tribe to guard this space as sacred guardians of the Smoky Mountains and all of their lands and the earth. They're going to help hold space and a beautiful light space for this rite, sacred initiation. We have to call in all of the sacred mothers of the Sacred Deer Clan tribe. This is a clan, and the mothers represent this clan. So we're going to call them in to hold a light space with the Christos Sophia frequency. And the energy of the Christos Sophia. They're going to help restore the divine Christed feminine blueprint. We're also going to call in the 7 sacred mothers that represent the 7 sacred mountains out here. And that is a council here too as well. And they're going to assist us with the great mother spirit and calling in the highest of the mother spirit of this land in the Smoky Mountains and out here in Cherokee. The sacred forest, and the magic that represents out here. And the great spirit of the grandmother spirit. We're going to begin the rite now. We're going to open up your heart center and bring in an amethyst ray frequency. The penetrating light of the amethyst ray, starlight. And activation of the Sacred Deer Clan star code, rite initiation. We're going to use this frequency to activate, balance, and restore. Call back all of your energy bodies. Cleanse and clear, and realign and reset your solar plexus and activate it into a crystalline 5th dimensional grid in a crystalline 7-dimensional grid system. We're going to remove and repair any cords or attachments, and releasing all attachments on your solar plexus vortex, opening up the Hara center, bringing in the highest frequency of source divine light, of the Christos Sophia light frequency into the solar plexus and into the Hara center, and to repair all of the Hara center currents and meridian channels. All Hara center crystalline lines, planetary body and universal body. Gusaka kashakantina kuke yakashantina kanadriventina kati. Kanadrifana koshakantina kayakashakati. Gushakatu koshakatina kanakati. Ayakoshana koya kantina kaya koshakandareventika senti. Koshanandrefan koya kaya kashanandrefano koya kanshako koshakantina kati. Kuna kusira drefendu koshana drefentu koshaka koshakanakati. Ayana drefantina kasana drefanaka safokoshana koshanti. Safokana drefana santina kashanti. Gestifu koshanti. Kina drefanaka safoko koyara drefentika safoko sentina kashakati. Kana drefanti akasantina kasafokana drefokoshantina kana koshati. Sanadra fokoshantina kashantina. We're going to call into our hearts the sacred right, all the wisdom and knowledge, the sacred medicine, sacred teachings, ancient teachings of the sacred Deo clan. We're going to activate this right with the Christos Sophia energy. And just bring in the frequencies into the heart center to open and expand the heart, to really align to the solar plexus and the Hara center, and alignments, all sacred alignments. We're going to bring in all of the sacred phenomenon of the great grandmother spirits into this rite. The Cherokee ancestors say that the children are next. They're the highest honor. It's the children. The divine children. We want to restore this blueprint. And to the Deer clan, the children were highly honored, and the women were highly honored. They were the highest on the councils. Now we're going to bring in the men, and the ancient fathers go first, and the middlemen come next. All of their ancient teachings and ancient wisdoms, the sacred medicine and the sacred power and ancient teachings of the sacred deer spirit, the honor and the gratitude and the compassion for this life force and the power force. It represented their Hara center. Too as well. The deer spirit can repair the Hara center. Koya kasantina sa fokona derefento koshantina kashantana. Saya koshana derefento kosafokoshantina kia kasina katida fokoshagati. Kiana derefano kosantis fokoshagati. All of the teachings and the telepathic communication to restore the telepathic communication from the consciousness of the sacred beings of which we are, into the consciousness of the animals. And the sacred animals of this land. The Cherokee are gifting all of their sacred wisdom and all of their sacred knowledge of the master women of this land. All the sacred women of this land. Sacred fathers and sacred children. And the sacred spirits. And the seven spirits. Kiana darafokosakana darafendiga sefokoshan dirgaya koshan darafandi ana darafana kasha darafendiga sefokoshaka darafandi nakasiniga kata kosha darafendiga sekashaka takina kashaka darafaka kata koshakati darafaka sefokoshana darafandiga kasena darafana koshanti kiyukosana darafana kasa fokoshan darafendiga sefokashana katina kataka and returning to the oneness yesefoshan dakata and returning to oneness sefokoshakata connecting and repairing and restoring the oneness between the angelic human, the seventh tribe, the seventh root race, to repair the angelic human and spiritual beings of the human species and reconnecting them to become merged into oneness with Gaia, with Nova Terra, Mother Earth and the sacred of this land. To merge back in together as one. The oneness spirit of the spirit of the forest, the mountains, to become one together. The animal kingdoms, to become one. To restore that oneness and that connection. That the spirit of the land comes first. Will heal and bring peace. Blessings, sacred blessings and abundance and sacred harvest. It can heal you. It will heal you. The spirit and the consciousness of the system, of this earth system, will heal you. The sacred forest will heal you. And the magic and the rainbow portals. All of the elementals in the other realms. Sanadrefano Koshandra Fantina Casana, Shadrefinti Kashakati. Sanadrefania Koshana, Drefano Koshantina Kata, Gishakati, Gishakata. Gisafakashakata. Thank you for all of the councils for being here for this rite. Gisafakashakanakata. I'm Akasha Azurite. Visakashakatare Katakati. Check out our website at starseedevolutionunited.net. Yusufo Krishi ako na telefono kaya kashagatari akashati. Kiki na telefono kana.